Hey there guys, this is Rocky Red Panda here for PND Studios, bringing you this awesome announcement. I'm going to be down at Maryland Pop and Horror Con the weekend of August the 28th, 2022, so definitely check me out. I'll be down there with my wares, my art, and of course I'll have my limited edition ice screen print because one of the guests at that con is going to be the Nancy Ann Riddler from Scream. So definitely check that out, folks. And of course, if you are a fan of horror films, you love horror films, I will be having at my booth copies for sale of our full-length feature film from EPG or Equinox Production Group, Mortician. So definitely check it out. It's going to be a fun weekend, guys. It's going to be a great weekend. I hope to see you down at Maryland Pop and Horror Con.